In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Lenovo account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in account.lenovo.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Lenovo. From here, you'll be able to sign in or create the account for yourself. So what you have to do is simply choose the sign in method. You'll be able to see the methods like email, Google and Facebook over here. Click on the sign in method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So click on the field of email address and enter it over here. Now click on this option continue. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter your password. Click on the field of password and enter the password over here. Or you can also sign in with the one-time code. For that, click on this option, sign in with the one-time code that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll receive the code in your email. Simply enter the code, click on the sign in option and you'll be signed in. If you want to enter the password, go ahead and enter the password. You can also reset your password by clicking on this option, forget password. Now after you enter the password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Lenovo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.